Today is 4/23 of 2010, and I am here to talk about the volcano eruption in Iceland. Last Wednesday, there was a volcano erupted and it spewed out steam and layers of ashes, which is bad. And then it's caused like 800 people to evacuate their cities and their towns because the floodwater was rising so high, and they had to move, and it cost the airport $1.7 billion to shut down all of their flights so nobody can get in or out of Iceland from playing. All around the world, people are shocked by how this happened, and they do not know what to do now. So it's pretty devastating. Here are some cool pictures I found on the web. I thought you all would enjoy. I'm here today to talk about the volcano lightning that happened in Iceland. Scientists believed, it says it was supposed to be ash, rock, and volcanic material were rubbing together to create friction. And when it did, it created static electricity that rubbed together, and when it couldn't hold enough air in it, they separated, which created the lightning, and also did other things to make the lightning bigger and tried to make it prettier. Hey, I need subscribers. If y'all will, go down, click the comments below, and then check out my2cents.com and tell me what you think.